Addis Ababa, which is focusing on generation building, has built 597 nurseries in the residential areas, private and government institutions. The city also made the health centers in the capital comfortable for mothers and children. Leaders and representatives of international institutions of different African countries who come to Addis Ababa to share experiences visited nurseries and health centers as well as home-based support and monitoring for children and mothers. Giving a tour for leaders, Mayor of Addis Ababa, Addis Ababa, expressed her happiness that the city's work to make Addis Ababa the best African city for raising children has been recognized and that the city has shared its experience with others. Children in child care centers are provided with nutritious food, babysitter services, health monitoring, education through game, counseling services for mothers, and special supervision for their complete development. The guests who visited the centers say that Addis Ababa's attention to the work of building generation is amazing.
We visited health centers where they integrate early childhood stimulation into the health centers. And they also look for developmental delays. And we're about to visit a daycare where at Bole Subsidy, where all the employees at Bole Subsidy can bring their very young children while they work. So it's a safe, stimulating environment for the children, and the moms and fathers and the parents can have a place they can work during the day. So it's been really inspiring. It's been very great to see how it's integrated across the city administration.
Addis Ababa and Ethiopia is very much committed to providing quality services to the early childhood development. And that is very, very remarkable because we have seen even the health center is well coordinated. The health workers are very well informed, they are very well motivated, and the services that are being provided are very well coordinated and they are very clear. That's one. But second is the environment. The environment where these services are being provided, especially in the health centers, are very child user friendly. And because children, usually they would like to see like cartoons, drawings on the walls, like playing materials, and all these are available in those clinics. You see children when are coming, as they wait for services, when they're in a queue, they have something to do.
Health care, education is a basic right of every individual child all over the world, all over the globe. So many African countries, we are struggling with a number of crises, including nutrition, healthy, and education for children. So the programs that have initiated here in Ethiopia, we say is a benchmark for most of African countries to come and to learn and to see how things can be done with limited resources. The way the mayor presented the first day, this program, ourselves, we were thinking how it is possible. But after having a site visit, seeing herself committed. For example, you can see we visited the closed street for children to play. All kids, they go direct to the mayor, hugging her. That means showing that she's not just a leader who are there putting a policy and direction and guidance, but in a certain way, she go to field by herself and taking measures to make sure all the direction provided by the central government is a mayor.
The leaders pointed out that the activities that Addis Ababa is doing with a focus on the generation are something that all African cities should implement, and that they saw during their visit the political commitment and coordination are the basis for effectiveness.
The lessons that we've learned from the experience here in Addis Ababa, which now is based on the strategic planning and of course the political will, which has to be invested on highly, is definitely something that we can learn from. And we will surely take it back to our homes and start to implement slowly while we seek for partners who will definitely support us in the journey, just like how it has been with Addis Ababa with Big Win Philanthropy.
We have learned a lot of which in Tanzania we are not yet doing. So this has been of great use, and we are very sure we're going to see how we can customize what we have learned from Addis Ababa, from Ethiopia, into our local environment, into our local health systems, and so that we can manage to improve the services, to improve the early childhood development program.
From this program, we get a message of teamwork as a government. Mayor, health sector, education sector, social welfare sector, local municipal, everyone play his or her role in this program is where it becomes successful. Otherwise, as the mayor herself, it won't be possible. Education herself is not possible. But the teamwork, collaboration, and the cooperation of the multi-sectoral in solving a single problem is very important.
The visitors also say that the work carried out by recruiting and teaching child care workers from the local residents who play an important role in the building of the next generation is another issue that they have seen from Addis Ababa and will implement in their country.